The Johari window model was created in 1955 by psychologists Joseph Luften and Harry Ingham to help people better understand themselves and their communication with others. The window has 4 quadrants that represent 4 combinations of behavioral insight. The first is the open space, where behavior is known to you and known to others. The second is the blind spot, where behavior is unknown to yourself but known to others. The third is the hidden area, where behavior is known to yourself yet unknown to others. The fourth is the unknown area, where behavior is unknown to both yourself and others. Aim of the model is to broaden the open space and shrink the blind spot and hidden area, so mutual trust and respect for each other's opinions will increase. This makes the model a useful coaching and communication tool to be used for small conflicts, negotiations, and giving and receiving feedback. Find a full explanation on the Johari window model with a 5-minute in-depth video and a practical scientific article on our website toolshero.com.